get him?
Everything's there. Transport.
We got an idle tank at Alpha too. Wow, dude, this is gonna be easy, dude. I'm so primed.
And the armor show up.
It's not gonna add shit, bro.
Delta right
I'm gonna wreck it when it's at Delta too. I'm gonna give it a hard time over at Delta.
Actually, no. One of their tanks is abandoned in spawn.
No doubt. They still have a tank underneath, yeah, there's a tank. Get there. I'm gonna try and get a mobility on it. Fuck that tank. Easy. Came in late, came in strong. It's terrible server. It's not ours. Whatever. I get enough of these sons of bitches. We stole the Echo tank. That's you. You guys bring Charlie, I'm gonna stick an Echo. D-bag engaged.
Enemy chopper spotted.
Oh, you shredded that bird already? Oh, no.
Yeah, that was bad. They didn't stand a chance. What about this transport bird?
Enemy chopper.
I want to tell you where's that, but... Oh,
They got a tank at Alpha.
just destroyed it. About 7. It's either this tank 3, 2, 1. Tank 1.
Nice. completely outnumber him. Barely spawning. It's pretty much over. Morale is collapsed.
At this point, morale's collapsed.
Yeah, it's over, dude. Just gonna get myself killed over here.
I'm just gonna get this Charlie.
Well, their attack chopper's up.
Awesome.
Nice.
Enemy
Their
chopper
tank is up
spotted.
too. That's good.
Oh, almost wrecked him. He's going straight for the middle.
Check your map for the resupply location. Listen up. Enemy tank due north of your position. We've lost objective Echo. Attack this objective. It looks like there's a hostile machine gunner. Enemy commander systems are down.
Oh, lag is bad.
Objective Charlie has now been neutralized. Taking objective Charlie. All teams, missile inbound.
Brutal.
Defend this objective. Looks like we got enemy heavy armor moving in east of where you're at.
No! They might have our tank. From spawn.
We no longer control objective
From
Charlie.
they're trying to cap it from their spawn. See, mile away from you guys. It's okay. Give them a shot.
Nice gun indeed. No, which tank? Where's the tank on the map? It might be our...
Echo, between Echo and Delta.
Line just came in. There's an enemy LAV north of your position.
Yeah, there's infi all over Echo as well. So heads up on that.
Objective
I don't think they're focused on you for some reason. I'm taking Charlie now, so we're moving to.
Objective Echo has been neutralized.
Oh, I thought that was a friendly. Son of a bitch. There's guys on top of Charlie as well. We got MBT laws. Live drop.
This is not good.
Confirm that we now have control of objective Echo.
I'm still going after him.
What's the objective?
Oh, I see that chopper. distract him.
I got eyes on an enemy chopper.
Go for it. Go for it. Now's your shot, because I'm distracted. Pretty hard.
You gotta defend this objective.
Just spotted him in the last spawn.
I spotted him. I gotta make my run, though.
Reference your maps for attack.
I brought him somewhere, man.
Spotted an enemy chopper.
It's okay, we'll get him. We're about to be on top of him.
If you bring him over between Alpha and whatever. Never mind. I dropped my mine. Nice, bro. Moving on. Go to the roof at Charlie, would you? Because I'm about to go up there. Well, like 1 second or like...
not more than 1 second.
Well, I'll wait to go up there until you run out there. Or you can go up there at the same time. You let me know. Alright. Ah, shit, I already pressed the elevator button. Might work out anyway. Nigga's got an igla. I killed him. Alright, top of Charlie's clear. Yeah, we got Charlie anyway. Well played. Well, shucks, I'm going to Delta.
Alright, still that.
Losing Delta, but that's okay.
Objective Delta has been neutralized. Supply drop executed.
They're gonna MRAP spawn.
Check that, sit in trail. Or catch the tokens.
Nice. They got a transport out.
Lord.
Oh, I missed it.
Which transport? Is it low? I see it.
Be advised, I've spotted a hostile tank to your location.
Fuck, dude, I'm out of ammo.
No longer control objective Bravo.
E for Leandra.
Spotted an enemy boat.
Oh, dude, they got guns on you.
Hey, I need a mechanic. Now have control. Check Charlie.
Spot that earlier.
I'm getting tanked.
Chopper, enemy chopper.
Got a tank and echo here, it's lighting me up.
3, 2, 1.
Oh shit, 2 tanks and echo.
That doesn't spot that as well.
Nice toe. Lit him up. That's a good bomber.
So many infantry.
Yeah, man.
How about you send this one?
That'll be funny. What is it?
Are you near Echo?
Well, I can see you. I'm in the chopper above you.
Alright, watch this.
Okay,
So bad.
I'm watching. Oh, I missed you. You're behind the building.
Yeah, I went through a building. There's no one there.
All cap.
Crap, I'm about to die to some news. Not today. Oh, he's on the chase now. He wants my booty.
Yeah.
Not that way. Come on, we need to
They're not gonna win shit though.
Nice try. Actually, that wasn't
GG.
bad. Good try.